Indoor plants are more than just decorative pieces, they bring life, color, and tranquility into any space. Whether you have a green thumb or are just starting out, incorporating plants into your home decor is a fantastic way to enhance your interiors. Plants not only purify the air but also create a calming environment that connects you with nature. In this guide, we'll explore how to style your home with indoor plants, covering everything from placement and pairing to creative displays and care tips. Let's dive into the world of indoor plant decor. The first step in creating stunning indoor plant decor is selecting the right plants for your home. Consider the lighting conditions, temperature, and space available in each room. For areas with bright, indirect light, plants like fiddle-leaf figs, snake plants, and pothos thrive beautifully. If you're working with low light, consider hardy options like CZ plants, peace lilies, or cast iron plants. Smaller spaces benefit from compact plants like succulents, air plants, or bonsai trees, while larger areas can accommodate statement plants like Monstera deliciosa or a tall rubber tree. Grouping plants of different sizes creates a dynamic look, adding depth and texture to your decor. For a cohesive aesthetic, consider the color palette of your space. Plants with variegated leaves, like calatheas or prayer plants, bring a touch of pattern and vibrancy. If you prefer a minimalist style, choose plants with clean, bold leaves, such as bird of paradise or philodendrons. Selecting the right plants sets the stage for incorporating greenery into your decor effortlessly. If these indoor plant decor ideas inspired you to refresh your space with greenery, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow plant lovers. Once you've chosen your plants, placement is key to achieving a balanced and visually appealing look. Start by identifying focal points in your home, such as corners, empty walls, or tabletops. Place larger plants like palms or fiddle-leaf figs in corners to anchor the space, while medium-sized plants can be displayed on side tables or shelves. Consider using plant stands to elevate smaller pots and create varying heights. Multi-tiered stands are perfect for displaying several plants together, creating a lush, layered effect. Hanging planters are another great option, especially for small spaces or rooms with limited surfaces. They add vertical interest and free up floor space. Floating shelves are an excellent way to create a green gallery wall. Mix trailing plants like string of pearls with upright options to achieve a balanced and dynamic display. In kitchens, small herbs like basil, thyme, or rosemary can be placed on windowsills for both decor and functionality. Experiment with clusters of plants in odd numbers for a more natural look. Pair plants with complementary shapes and textures, like a spiky snake plant next to a soft, trailing pothos, for visual contrast. Creative placement allows your indoor plants to shine as decor while enhancing the overall atmosphere of your home. What's your favorite way to style indoor plants? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your plant decor ideas and tips. The right planter can elevate the look of your indoor plants and tie them into your existing decor. Choose planters that complement your style, whether it's modern, boho, rustic, or minimalist. Ceramic pots with geometric patterns, woven baskets, and terracotta planters are timeless options that suit a variety of aesthetics. For a modern touch, opt for sleek metallic or matte black planters. Wooden planters or stands pair beautifully with rustic or Scandinavian-inspired interiors. Boho enthusiasts can use macrame hangers or colorful pots with intricate designs to add character and texture. Consider the scale of the planter in relation to the plant and the space. Oversized planters can make a bold statement, while smaller pots work well for grouping multiple plants together. Transparent containers, like glass terrariums, are perfect for showcasing succulents, moss, or air plants, adding a unique decorative element to your home. Don't forget to accessorize. Add decorative elements like stones, moss, or small figurines to the soil for an extra touch of charm. Matching saucers or trays can also help protect your surfaces while enhancing the overall look. Planters and accessories are essential for tying your plant decor into your home style seamlessly. For more home decor inspiration and plant styling tips, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. To keep your indoor plant decor looking fresh and vibrant, proper care is essential. Regularly dust the leaves of your plants to ensure they can absorb light effectively. Water your plants according to their needs. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes, so check the soil before watering. Rotate your plants every few weeks to ensure even growth, especially if they're near a window. Fertilize during the growing season to keep them healthy and thriving. Pay attention to signs of distress, such as yellowing leaves or drooping stems, to address issues promptly. Incorporate seasonal updates to keep your decor feeling fresh. For spring, pair your plants with pastel-colored pots or place them alongside fresh flowers. During the holidays, add small decorations like ornaments or fairy lights to larger plants for a festive touch. If you enjoy switching things up, consider rotating plants between rooms. Moving a plant to a new location can change the feel of a space and give the plant a chance to thrive in different conditions. Seasonal updates and proper maintenance ensure your plant decor remains beautiful and functional year-round. Check out our home decor playlist for more creative ideas, from indoor plants to stylish room makeovers that bring your space to life. Indoor plants bring a unique kind of beauty to your home. They are living, breathing decor that transforms your space into a lush and calming retreat. From small succulents on your desk to tall fiddle-leaf figs in your living room, plants have a way of making a house feel more like a home. One of the most wonderful things about indoor plant decor is its versatility. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or love a jungle-like aesthetic, plants can adapt to any style. They blend seamlessly into modern spaces, rustic interiors, and even eclectic homes with a mix of textures and colors. Plants don't just enhance the visual appeal of your home, they improve your quality of life. They purify the air, boost your mood, and create a serene atmosphere that helps you unwind after a long day. Their presence adds a natural, grounding element that connects you with the outdoors, even if you're in the heart of the city. Decorating with plants is also a deeply personal journey. Each plant you bring into your home has its own unique personality and needs. Over time, you develop a relationship with your plants, learning what makes them thrive and how they contribute to your environment. The beauty of plant decor is that it doesn't have to be perfect. A trailing pothose that cascades unevenly or a cactus with a quirky shape only adds character to your home. These imperfections remind us of the beauty of nature and the importance of embracing life's unpredictability. Want to bring these plant decor ideas to life? Check the description for links to the pots. As you create your indoor plant displays, remember to have fun with it. Experiment with different placements, pairings, and planters to see what works best for your space. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures, colors, and styles to create something uniquely yours. Think of your plants as evolving pieces of art. Over time, they grow and change, adding new dimensions to your decor. A small plant you start with today might become a stunning centerpiece years down the road, reminding you of the care and attention you've given it. Plants also invite creativity into your space. A DIY terrarium, a painted pot, or a handcrafted macrame hanger can add an extra layer of personality to your decor. These small, thoughtful touches make your indoor plant setup feel even more special. Your home becomes more than just a place to live, it becomes a sanctuary where nature and design come together. The quiet presence of plants encourages mindfulness, inviting you to slow down and appreciate the beauty of your surroundings. Seasonal updates allow you to refresh your space without making major changes. In spring, pair your plants with pastel accents or fresh blooms. During the holidays, add subtle decorations to bring a festive touch. These simple adjustments keep your plant decor feeling fresh and relevant throughout the year. Caring for your plants is more than just a routine, it's an opportunity to connect with nature. Watering, pruning, and tending to your plants can be a meditative practice, giving you a moment to step away from the busyness of life and focus on something simple and rewarding. Indoor plant decor also teaches patience. Growth doesn't happen overnight, and learning to nurture your plants is a gentle reminder of the importance of time and care. Watching a plant thrive under your attention is one of the most rewarding aspects of decorating with greenery. Ultimately, plants bring life to every corner of your home. They soften hard edges, brighten dark spaces, and fill empty areas with beauty and purpose. They transform your environment in ways that are both subtle and profound, creating a home that feels warm, welcoming, and alive. As you continue to experiment with indoor plant decor, let your creativity guide you. Whether you're decorating a small apartment or a spacious house, there's always room for plants to make an impact. Each new addition, each new arrangement, becomes a reflection of your personality and your connection to the natural world. Indoor plants are more than just decor, they're companions, inspiration, and a celebration of life. Let your space flourish with their beauty, and enjoy the calm, joy, and satisfaction they bring to your home.